you see that your hair, when you pull it, a huge amount of hair will follow it and fall. It happened to me when I was relaxing my hair. So
Oh, he's sweeter, baby.
hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rita. It's Rita, baby. Today I want to have an open and honest conversation about natural hair versus relaxed hair. I've been telling myself, yeah, I'm going to talk about this, and I need to talk about this soon enough for people out there who is ready to help their hair thrive in 2025. 2025 is around the corner, guys. So today I just decided to straighten my hair. I just want to feel, I love flaunting my hair. Anyways, never mind. So today I'm going to share with you my hair journey. I want to, because I've experienced both natural hair and relaxed hair. So, and I went into natural hair in the year 2020. Yes, I decided to cut off my relaxed ends and then went into natural. So I've experienced both sides, and I'll be sharing my thoughts, experiences, and maybe some insight to help you if you're deciding between the two. Okay. So growing up, we all know in Africa everybody wants a straight hair, isn't it? I wanted a straight hair. I've always loved hair. Even my mom will say, you always flaunt your hair anytime your hair is being done. I still love flaunting the hair. So I wanted to embrace my natural hair texture, and focus on healthier hair care practices. Let's talk about the pros of it. Let's look at the pros. It is healthy when you care for your natural hair. It's healthier when you properly care for your natural hair. There is no chemical to weaken it. There's no chemical to damage it. So you got to embrace your natural texture, which is beautiful and also versatile. Secondly, when you are with your natural hair, you can style your hair in different styles. Okay, you can decide to go afro pop, you can decide to just do a bridal style with it, you can decide to do twist out from straightening it, just like I straightened mine. Oh my goodness, you have endless styles to give to your natural hair. One thing I love about natural hair is about its versatility. For example, if you straighten it properly, you can enjoy wearing your straight hair for up to 2 weeks. But even beyond styling, showcasing your natural hair, like me here, is something I genuinely love, because it gives me the confidence and also help me build my self-esteem. Confident when you embrace and showcase your natural beauty, in fact, you will stand up tall. You get what I'm saying? You stand up tall with your natural hair. I don't know if you've seen this African Barbie. When you see her showcasing her natural hair, that African beauty, the black beauty, you see her showcasing it. Tell me what you think about it. Just look at her. If you have watched this video up to this point, guys, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell, so that anytime I post a new video, you'll be the first to know. You can also follow me at Riri on Facebook and Instagram, also at Rita on TikTok. And guys, it is time to tell you that whenever you see an advert on my video, please don't skip. Kilo day, don't skip now. Please watch this advert to the end. I'm begging. Please. Okay, guys, let's continue. So, the cause of natural hair is time consuming. Yeah, especially when on your wash days, detangling your hair. Oh my goodness, I spent 2 hours when detangling my hair. So you can tell that it's really time consuming. So the products that can add up cost wise, if you're experimenting with what works for you, you can try this one, it's not working for your hair. You can try the other one and it's not working for your hair. So guys, look for a product that works best for you. Okay, to reduce the amount of time you spend during your wash day. I have found out that some of these natural treatments I do, they always, some of them tends to help me detangle my hair fast, and I will not even spend like up to 2 hours during my wash day. But if I just let me just use some product, like, or I'm just being lazy just to create my natural product, and I use another product, I might take it might take a while. But there are some products that are very, very good. If you want me to list the name of some product that you can use, if you don't have the time for natural hair remedy, you can let me know in the comment section. So I will do a video on that, and I will show you a video of products that you can use that can ease your wash day, that whenever you use those products, it will be easier for you to detangle your hair, and your wash day will be as fast as possible. Okay, so guys, another cons of this natural hair, it is when you want to manage your shrinkage. It can be challenging when you're when your hair is shrunk, dry, you can't even put comb on it. For those who are trying to put comb in a natural hair that is dry, and you tell me what you see when you comb it, you will see a lot of sheddings. You will see your hair on the floor, littering on the floor, staring at you. So guys, some tips for you to manage your natural hair when it's shrunk: please spray water, use leave-in conditioner, and then seal that hair with oil, just to seal in the moisture. Okay, you get me? So guys, let's look at the pros and cons of relaxed hair. When I was relaxing my hair, I started out doing it 3 times in a year. When I was relaxing my hair, I was doing it 3 times in a year. I also experienced some, some thinning, especially in the front area and then at the back area. So my hair was thinning. Some are long, some are short. So I started doing some research, and I found later found a lady that relaxes her hair 2 times in a year. And I said, oh, will I be able to do this? Let me just try. Which I did try. I actually tried it 2 times in a year. Oh my god, my hair was getting fuller. Not as full as this, but it was getting fuller. I was seeing the difference before I then decided to switch to natural hair. Why did I stop? I was just envious of those people keeping their natural texture. Seriously, I was envy. Also, when I started relaxing my hair 2 times a year, all I did to help manage my hair strands was leave-in conditioner. I really relied on it. That was when I started using Cantu products to relax, to the leave-in conditioner, to the shea butter leave-in conditioner. That is what I used to manage my undergrowth when it was coming out, when I was relaxing my hair. So it helped me to manage my hair and help me to avoid breakage, because when you're having undergrowth under your hair, and when you're a relaxed person, it tends, when you're combing it tends to be painful, and also it tends to break. So you can, if you are relaxing your hair and you're out there, you're looking for things to ease your hair, you want a fuller hair, you want your hair to be longer, use leave-in conditioner when you have undergrowth, because it will really help you. And if you switch your routine from 2 times a week, 3 times a week to relax your hair, you are good. If you switch it to 2 times in a year, I'm telling you, you're going to enjoy your relaxed hair, and you're going to enjoy your hair generally. It's going to add shine and everything. Yeah, so that's that for relaxed hair. So there is advantage of relaxed hair. It is easier to detangle and manage daily. And if you prefer straight, especially when you prefer a straight style, so it is very easier for you to detangle and you manage it, because you can just comb it and you're good to go. So, and again, styling takes less time. If you want to style if you decide to just put a half pattern, center pattern, you relax your hair and then you rolled it to get some wavy style. The next day is just the curls are still there. You style it, bing, your hair is good to go, isn't it? For those people that have relaxed hair, it's very easy, right? So with proper care, relaxer can still be very healthy, like I said. So you just make sure you take care of your hair. You can also use like natural products, or there are some people that make their natural products and they sell it now. You can as well do one at home. If do some natural products. So if you want to know some natural products you can use that you can get from your kitchen, you can use for your relaxed hair. Check on my page, you see some of my videos on natural hair products. Okay, so the natural remedy for hair growth and hair nourishment. So now let's talk about the disadvantages of relaxed hair. The relaxed hair tends to damage the chemical. No, not relaxed hair. Sorry, the chemical can damage your hair and scalp if not applied carefully. If you don't apply the relaxer on your hair properly, it's going to damage your scalp. Then you see burnt, and you see that your hair, when you pull it, a huge amount of hair will follow it and fall. It happened to me when I was relaxing my hair. So be warned. When you are doing that, be careful while doing that. So, and the hair is more prone to breakage and thinning over time. For those of us relaxing, for those of you relaxing your hair, if you notice when you bring out your hair, you see that there are some breakage, especially at the front and at the back. You will see there's some breakage. So please, guys, manage your hair properly. Whether you are relaxing, just manage it properly. Develop a routine that will help that hair to thrive. Okay, and regular touch up. That's what I'm saying. Regular touch ups can be costly and time consuming. Every time you are going to the salon to go and retouch your hair, abeg, reduce it. My advice to those people relaxing their hair every 2 weeks, every week. I know somebody that is doing it every day, and what is happening to the hair? The hair looks like rat when they pour water on top. Sorry about that. So sorry about that. So please, if you know people that are retouching their hair two times a week, or every week, please tag that person, share this video to that person, so that the person will understand what I'm trying to say. You need a good person, a good hairstylist that can retouch your hair and can even give you appointments on the times you come to retouch your hair. If you want your hair to be managed and you can't manage it yourself, visit a hairstylist that knows how to do it. Okay, I remember when somebody asked me if my hair was straightened and if my hair was relaxed, and I said no because I straightened my hair that day. So the person asked me if your hair was relaxed. I said no. And then she said that when she moved to the UK, that the water was not good for her hair was breaking, her hair was doing that, her hair was doing this, and she then decided to cut her hair, and now she's unnatural. Even the natural hair, when you look at it, it's not that healthy. Because she's not taking care of it. So what more if you're not taking care of your natural hair? How did you take care of your relaxed hair and the hair started cutting? So you have to, I'm sorry I'm talking like this, but you have to really manage your hair. You have to really develop a routine that works well for your hair. You have to know the kind of product that is good for your hair. So relaxer, immediately you apply it on your hair, start burning, and which is not a good sign. It shows that relaxer is not a good relaxer for you. Then I also saw some people, because I'm a hairstylist, I've seen people coming in and they have their relaxed hair coming and their hair looks so healthy. And then I asked them, how often do you retouch your hair? They said they retouch their hair for 2 times in a year. I clapped for them. I said, yeah, these people know what's up, they know how to manage their hair, they know how to stay. The hair was so healthy and long. Who wouldn't love a long hair? And who wouldn't love a healthy hair? So, and it brings me that you can actually, whether you are natural or relaxed, it really boils down to how you care for your hair. So you have to take care of your hair properly, and understand what works for your hair. Okay, so my advice to all those team natural hair, for all those keeping their natural hair, make sure you're using the right product for you. If you cannot get the right product for yourself, you can as well start getting some ingredients from your kitchen and start creating your own natural hair product that will help your hair thrive. And for those relaxing your hair, relaxer is good. It's good. It just like natural hair, they both have advantage and disadvantages. So, and then if you're doing relaxing your hair, you love straight hair all the time, from time to time, you can develop a routine that can help your hair. Try to retouch your hair 2 times in a year. And during that period, you can use, while you are waiting to retouch your hair, you can use leave-in conditioner to soften your hair, and you can also use some hair oils that are good for your hair. You can use shea butter, you can use coconut oil, almond oil, a lot of them. So you can use what works best for you. Okay, and that will bring us to the end of this segment about relaxed hair versus natural hair. So guys, if you love this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, especially if you're new, hit the notification bell so that anytime I post a new video, you'll be the first to know. And also remember, any of my video you see, guys, please stop skipping now. I beg you now, not skip the advert now. And also watch my videos to the end, guys. Not just watching the advert to the end and skip. Don't even skip it, then watch my video to the end. I'm here for you guys. Oh, I'm really here for you guys. So guys, that brings us to the end of this video. If you want me to talk about other natural hair products, other products apart from natural hair products, other product that is good for hair, let me know in the comment section. For those that doesn't have strength to do their own natural hair product, you can tell me what I can try on my own hair and let you know if it works best for natural hair. If it also works for relaxed hair, I will tell you, even though I'm not relaxed right now. So how do you love my straight hair? It's not really straight. I just blow dry my hair just so this will last me for a couple of days. Yeah. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.